I think it's positive disruption. I think it's much needed, especially if you look at the landscape and there's fundamental things that are broken throughout the life cycle. And I'm not talking about pharma, it's before, during, and after, that I think hopefully it can help make things better for the patients that are seeking the right treatment.
In my mind, the answer is very clear. You have to partner with them. And the reasons are also simple. Number one, they're very smart. Number two, they're very fast and agile. And number three, they also know a lot of the things that we don't know that well.
They can become very powerful intermediaries between us as a pharmaceutical producer and ultimately the patient. But we need to remember that it's still about the patient and about the disease or the condition that they have, and ultimately they probably need some kind of medication to treat that disease. As far as I know, they don't produce that kind of medicine as of yet.
If we team up with companies like Apple, Google, even Amazon, for example, I think I see great opportunity to develop solutions that today we even have a hard time to imagine a final output.
The first thing pharma needs to do is bring those skills, bring those competencies over from those companies and bring it over to pharma and build those internal competencies.
I think the other piece that we need to do is embrace that disruption, right? As a pharmaceutical company, it's not about competing with them and it's not about trying to do what they do. It's how do we tap into the progress that they're making and how we're engaging and meeting the right patients.
Amazon, for example, has been extremely good at designing strong customer experiences. So they build on the knowledge they have of their customers, their preferences, the content that they would like to engage in and serve it up when they need it. From that, we can truly learn a lot in terms of how to deal with our clients.
It's clear now that Amazon in particular is after a lot more than just a drug distribution system. Amazon wants to disrupt fundamentally how healthcare is being delivered and paid for. Just like Walgreens is integrating their doctors into brick and mortar stores, you can imagine that Amazon could leverage their Whole Foods stores and bring pharmacies and clinics into their environment, as well as providing online consults and leveraging Alexa for patient experience and monitoring.
So clearly, not being afraid and embracing the opportunities is the direction to go.
There's no question we need to be like companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google, and I think the industry recognizes that. Now what we need is top management to steer the organization and lead the way for us.